your number one reason to come to Cal Jam?
I always enjoy everything that I learn, and it always gets me extra inspired to go back and make a lot of changes in my practice. Seeing friends from all over.
My number one reason is I want to know how that I can better serve my practice members and the people in my community, and so that's an ongoing process, and this seems like the very next step.
Support women in chiropractic.
Overall health and wellness. Inspiration for the year.
Is to get my love tank filled up, the chiropractic philosophy, and just my passion.
We give up everything to come here, so no matter what's on the calendar, too bad. Cal Jam is priority, for sure.
Well, there's multiple reasons, but for Cal Jam, it's just because this is the one I want to go to.
Rejuvenation and motivation, and increasing my purpose.